Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau. Would like to show you how to use select case. So at the simple forms we will this. We have the select case with the word case. For each case we have the word case. And finish it we have the end select. Let's see for example. So we're gonna insert a module. Then we're gonna type this. So your first select case. So we have the select case, then we're going to test something else, right? So we test some value status, and then we have case X. In that case, we do the debug, okay. If it shows a case, if it shows Y, then we show as debug. So print as the okay, and then we can say and select, and we do some formatting, and the status we assign it as X. You got will, we got immediate window. It's right here. Alright, so okay, so we have this, and we just focus on this one, right? We can just go to this procedure wheel, one procedure at a time, and we run the code. So we store the X value into the status, and then we test it out with multiple case. At the simplest form, we can just try and two cases. So you test whether the status is X or Y. So run this code, and you got it. We should be, where is it? Oh, here, there. So you can see that the status X, it shows the OK, right? So if I change this value to Y, and that would be not OK. Let's just try again, right? Not OK. Now, what if I put Z? As nothing happens. What if I want to do that, right? So we can just use that. Anything is not in that X or Y, not in that range, right? Uh, just select the value, right? What we do is that we will just say a valid or something else. So it's not case else, then what will it be then? Case else, yes. It is case else. Case else, yes. So it's not else case, it's case else. So as a programmers, get ready. You're going to um, make a lot of mistake, and it's no big deal. Just change it, and your code will run. If it's not, just change it or take a break. And thanks for watching. This is your first select case. So let's repeat this, right? You need to write the select case, and then follow by the case, and remember the end, write the end select statement as well. Thank you.